Ready?
Gotta hold it up a bit. Brakes are pretty rubbish.
Sucks.
Think it'll do a burnout, bud?
No.
Oh, feel the power!
Let's just turn off.
She goes alright. Oh, we're losing something. Is it off or is it on?
It's on.
Oh, this is sweet, man. So yeah, everything seems to work really well. We got the fuel gauge, might be working. The oil pressure gauge is working, the RPM's working. Running pretty good. Pretty cool. It seemed like we were going like 100 miles an hour, but we only hit about 30, I think, which is pretty cool. So she needs some work, but life's good. And the keys don't do anything. So what we have to do is open the hood. Forgot where the hood releases.
Oh, what did you think of your first ride?
I thought it was awesome. It felt like we were doing really fast at the speed. Now we're doing 30. Oh, there we go. Nice. We still need to get 2 new front tyres. Oh, something's a bit hot. Yeah, I think I need to go through and change the coolant out. I haven't changed the coolant yet. I just kind of wanted to give it a quick look-see. We obviously got some leaks, and yeah, it's funny. It's only just got it running. We put fresh fuel in and stuff. But yeah, the coolant's going to want going over. This we may be able to tighten it up in a few spots here, but you can see the coolant's come out. It's just got hot, so this steam is just a little bit of coolant coming out of this hose here. Like really, it's going to need all new rubbers. But she runs, so life's good. Fantastic.